Okay, we are now going to learn how to do some research to be able to help us in targeting our audience, narrowing down our niche audience so that we are ready when we are ready to do Facebook marketing and advertising and purchasing ads. We're not throwing money out of the window. So the first thing we want to do is do some research and find our target audience and then find out what it is that they're searching for. Once we know what they're searching for and where they're searching for it in the world and it matches our product, that gives us a better chance of them seeking our pages and purchasing our products. So the tool that I use to do my research on is called Google Trends. And you're going to go to the Explore, so it would be google.com/trends/explore. You'll see a little search bar. You're just going to type in, since my niche is Facebook marketing, then I would type in Facebook marketing. And let's see what comes up. And what I'm searching for is where in the world are people looking for information on Facebook marketing? Now, if you sell products, if it's healthcare products, you want to narrow that down because it's too wide. So you might be specific. If you sell a product that's geared towards arthritis, then you want to put in, arthritis medications, or people searching for healing for arthritis patients. Something in that search bar that's going to relate to the ad that you're going to create. So in my case, I am trying to boost my page, and on that page I am focusing on Facebook marketing. So I'm going to search for Facebook marketing, and I'm going to search worldwide, but you have the opportunity to search United States, different areas of the world. I'm going to go with worldwide because the internet is global. And I just can't assume that United States is #1 where people are searching for Facebook. And we're right. United States is not in the top 10 as far as countries who's searching for Facebook. But what we do find through this research is that the interest in Facebook marketing is on the rise since 2007. So that tells me I'm very optimistic about that, and it may be able to help me to invest in these areas. #2, it's going to cost me a lot less money. If I was to search Facebook marketing for persons in the United States, I'm quite sure that I would pay anywhere between $89 to maybe $2 a click. Whereas when you go outside in less known countries, then you can actually get this ad for pennies on the dollar. So it's very important for you to do research if you're going to start doing Facebook marketing or Facebook advertising. So what I found here is that the top areas are Kenya, Peru, South Africa, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and Pakistan. So I'm in the United States. I'm sure some of you are wondering, well, okay, how is that going to work? Well, because I'm in information marketing, but I guess it really doesn't matter even if you're selling products. You can sell globally. I'm sure if you all are in direct sales companies, there are different countries that your company may not be operating in yet, and you would simply not incorporate them on your list. But you do want to do global searches because it keeps your costs down, and it also narrows down your niche, because your ad is going to show up in people who's actually looking for what it is that you have to offer. This research can go even a little bit deeper. We know that Kenya is a country, but we can even go to what city in Kenya if we wanted to really take this down, what cities within those countries where people are most searching for. So you can be very, very, very niche with narrow it down to the point where you're definitely targeting your niche market and the money is not just going out of the window. Another thing you want to make sure you look at in your Google Trends is queries. This will help you. This is known also as SEO, words or keywords. It can help you with your SEO marketing as well. But again, we're going to put in a section. I'm going to show you how to do that, where these words are just simply going to be transformed into interest. So we would call these interest. This is what people are searching for on the net. So if I have a Facebook marketing informational product, then I'm going to make sure that I put marketing on Facebook, Facebook and marketing, social media marketing, because this is what people are searching for, Facebook page marketing. Okay, so what I would do is, now that I have my information, I'll go back over here to my page. And as you can see, it's boost page. Okay, and you would simply upload your image if you had an image. So let's just say I actually did this before. Okay, and your image will pop up. You can say if you want a desktop news feed, that's how to look. Mobile, right column. The location is where you will put what we just learned. Over here, we learned that Bangladesh was one, Pakistan, Kenya. The interest is where you will put what we found, what people were searching for, which was Facebook marketing. If you can't remember, just go back, because this is very, very important. Facebook and marketing, social marketing. You want to put about 3 is good. Your age, because people are working a little bit longer, and in my niche, I can increase this up. I have it at 55. I want to take it up to 65, because most of the people on Facebook now are senior citizens. Okay. Daily budget, I'm going to leave that at $5. Make sure you keep it, especially when you're first starting out, keep it as low as possible. And I'm going to run the ad for 7 days. I'm going to run the ad until 7:20, and then I have my payment. I'm not going to click boost because this is a presentation, and I've already completed this presentation. At one point, I actually did this experiment. It was very, very successful for me. And you will see, even on my page, you'll see notifications from out of the country. And if you look at a lot of my likes, they're from across the world. They're not just here in the United States. That reason being that I am trying to reach a global market and not just here in the United States. So I hope this helps you as you try to enter into the Facebook ad marketing world. I do have a video tutorial training on Facebook marketing made easy. I also have a training guide on Facebook ad marketing. So visit my website at virtualpartyplancoach.com, and you will be able to download that in our training store. Again, I hope you found this video of interest, and if so, I would appreciate greatly if you would share the link below. Thanks so much, and until the next time, keep looking up.